Hello friends, welcome to a new episode of Let's Cook. In one of my previous episodes, I've shown you how to make the authentic chocolate lava cake. However, in today's episode, I'm going to show you how to cook the same chocolate lava cake using only 4 ingredients which is available in everyone's place. And we're not going to use any microwave oven, OTG or pressure cooker to make it. We're going to steam our chocolate lava cake, and trust me, the outcome is going to be fabulous. So let's see how it's done. For making chocolate lava cake, here I've taken 4 packets of Oreo cookies. In total, there are 20 cookies. Now in this mixer grinder, let's add the Oreo cookies one by one. Now it's time to grind the cookies into a very fine powder. Make sure that there are no lumps. Let's take the cookie crumbs out of the mixer jar. It should look something like this. There should not be any lumps in this mix. Now to the Oreo cookies powder, let's add half a teaspoon of baking powder. Let's combine it with the crumbs. In order to make the lava cake batter, here I've taken half a cup of milk. We are going to add the milk gradually and combine it until we get a smooth cake batter. The cake batter should look like this. In this pan, I've taken some water. On it, I'm going to add a stand. You can add a small bowl in the place of the stand. Now let's cover the pan and we are going to heat the water until it produces steam. In order to make the lava cake, here I've taken cupcake molds like this. Now it's time to grease the molds properly with some vegetable oil. If you do not have a cupcake mold, you can use a small bowl. Grease the molds properly, otherwise the lava cake will stick to the sides of the mold. Now on it, let's add a couple of tablespoons of the cake batter that we made. Here I've taken some dark chocolate which I've chopped into small chunks. You can use any brand of chocolate like Cadbury, Dairy Milk, Nestle, Amul, whatever you wish. Now let's add 4-5 pieces of the chopped chocolate on the batter. This chocolate is going to produce the molten lava that will ooze out from our lava cake. We will cover the chocolate with another 1 or 2 tablespoons of the cake batter. And it is ready. In this way, let's prepare the other cupcake molds. Here we have filled 3 cupcake molds and now it's time for steaming them. We have placed the 3 cupcake molds on a steel plate. And now it's time to steam them. As we can see, the water inside the pan has come up to boil and is producing steam. So now let's place this carefully on the stand. Let's cover the pan and now we are going to steam it on high flame for 7 to 8 minutes. The Oreo lava cake has been steaming for the last 7 minutes and they are ready. Isn't it looking tempting? Let me know in the comment section below. In order to take it out of the mold, use a knife to release it from the sides. And carefully place on the plate. Tap it, and there is our chocolate lava cake. Let's cut it and see. See, there's our lava. Perfectly molten chocolate lava cake. The outside is cooked like a cupcake, but inside the chocolate has melted to form the chocolate lava. Just using 4 ingredients, we have made our chocolate lava cake. Our homemade chocolate lava cake, made using only 4 ingredients without using any pressure cooker or oven, is ready. If you like this recipe and video, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to like, comment and share. Bye bye. See you guys in the next episode.